Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the Aprilskin Real Carrotene Blemish Clear skincare products. I only have two of these products from them. The other ones are the Calendula. Is that how you pronounce that? When I bought the set, it kind of came with 4 skincare products. 2 of the products are from the Calendula family, while the other 2 products are the Real Carrotene Blemish Clear family or range. And this one is actually not really targeted towards dry skin type. It's more of like a skincare that's meant to clear your skin, brighten up your skin, and also help to reduce wrinkles and stuff like that. Like all the talents in the ad, girl, guy, everyone who uses this has like super really nice clear skin, glassy looking sort of skin. So for me, I am really much all about the whole glassy looking skin. If my skin can look glowy all the time, I would prefer that because, you know, that kind of makes my skin look very hydrated, and I like that kind of look. That's why I caved in, and I also got this as well. The 2 products that I have is the serum and the other one is the cream. Let's start with the serum first. The serum actually comes with a box like this as well. It's a very nice, like, clean and sleek packaging. I actually really like the bottle of this. It comes in a pump form and it's super hygienic. I really like overall the packaging of this. So this Real Carrotene Blemish Clear Serum, it says to be non-comedogenic, carrot complex, brightening. Supposedly this line actually has like carrot infused kind of essence or something like that. I don't know, they have like carrots ingredients in there, and supposedly carrots can help you, you know, with antioxidant and brightening and shit like that. I'm not quite sure. I'm just, you know, I'm just a regular consumer just trying out products because I see the freaking ad, okay? But looking at the ingredients wise, it looks quite natural. It actually looks like the ingredients are safe type, and you know, they don't have the typical parabens, specifically no alcohol. Quite a few other like flower extract in here as well. Eucalyptus oil. For me, it smells really good, but this actually smells a little bit herbally. So if you don't like that kind of traditional herbally kind of scent, then like ginseng kind of scent, then you might not like this one. This is about 37 ml. I think it's quite true to a serum consistency. Serum usually is a little bit thicker. It's not as thin as an essence, but at the same time it's not as thick as a moisturizer, so it's more of like a gel-ish cooling type of texture. As a serum, I feel like this really feels super nice on the skin. It does feel like it has a little bit of that smoothing sort of agent in there. It absorbs really nicely as well. Once you kind of work it in, it does leave a little bit of that lotiony kind of residue on the skin, but it's not too sticky and it's not oily and stuff like that. I feel like if your skin is okay with this skincare, then yeah, this serum is actually quite nice. Move on with the cream. This is the Real Carrotene Blemish Clear Cream. This is also non-comedogenic, carrot complex, brightening, high performance, gentle skin solution for all. That's also the thing. Aprilskin has been kind of promoting themselves as like a skincare that is a good for sensitive skin sort of skincare, and I really don't agree with that, because just by using this line itself, it makes my skin kind of itchy a little bit on the side down here. Kind of irritated my skin a little bit. So I wouldn't say that this is for all skin type, and I wouldn't specifically say that this is great for sensitive skin as well. But I mean, you never know until you actually try it out. So this is really like case-by-case basis. So if your skin is okay with the ingredients that's in here, then you will probably like this skincare, and I really do think that this skincare would be great for you. Packaging looks so sleek. I love this packaging, really, but the only thing is that this tube is a little bit hard to kind of control the amount I want it to come out. So the moment I squeeze it, I might just over squeeze it, and the opening here is actually quite big. It's not really a big deal, it's just something small to take note about. Blemish clearing cream made of 3 types of nutrient derived from carrot, soothe and brightens to achieve a healthy complexion. With this as well, for some reason, I think there's some ingredient in here that kind of say that it's best that you don't use this underneath the hot sun. So for example, if you use this, you better make sure that you apply a heck ton load of sunscreen as well, okay, to protect your skin. So I would only recommend using this line specifically during the nighttime. Again, looking at the ingredients, it doesn't seem like it has anything too bad in here when it comes to ingredients wise. It smells very similar to the serum as well. This one, it has a little bit of that yellowy tint to it. thicker than the serum, but it's definitely not the thickest cream that I've seen. I wouldn't even consider this a cream. Actually, it feels very much more of like a cream gel mix sort of consistency and texture, because you can feel like it's actually very cooling when you use it in an aircon room. This one is definitely one of those cream where when you first apply on, it feels so good on the skin. It feels so moisturizing. It leaves that sort of layer on the surface of the skin and really makes your skin super glowy looking. But after a while, you kind of leave it on probably like about an hour or so, it kind of goes away. Your skin starts to mattify a little bit more. You know, that whole like very nice moisture feeling doesn't really stay on the skin. Even after using both of this, the hydratingness doesn't really last on the skin. So personally, I wouldn't really recommend this for dry skin type in general, but if you have more of the normal skin type, then you probably would like this. That's just how I feel about these products. Unfortunately, I can't use these products. Unfortunately, my skin doesn't really agree with my face skin specifically, doesn't really agree with some of the ingredients in here. I didn't really use this for that long. I think I only used this for about a week, but I do realize the major difference of how itchy this actually make my skin felt. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!